Jedinica zove dvojku. Dvojka, javi se.
Reci jedinica. Trojka.
Reci dvojka.
Čović, imaš dvije žice da odrežeš i ti baš uvijek krivo, mislim.
Daj me, drugi put ja nosim klješta, a ti režeš žice.
Bitno da smo mi to sve riješili, da je jedinica zadovoljna.
To ćemo vidjeti koliko je zadovoljna, znaš sama kakva je jedinica, kad se ne znate.
Znam ja da je ona zahtjevna, da uvijek moramo više i više, ali sve u svemu, to je sve super prošlo, nema se kaj ljuditi.
Ne, 100% će biti sve super, mislim ovo stvarno bilo genijalno, što smo mislili još nikad nismo bili tak jako dobri, baš da smo, ko u filmovima.
Totalno, čovječ je pravi super junaci, mislim. Ja bi mi rekla da je sve riješeno. Jedinica zadatak obavljena.
Primjeno.
But her friend is nowhere to be seen. Now she walks through her sunken dream to the seats with the clearest view. as they ask her to focus on sailors fighting in the dance hall. Oh man, look at those cavemen go. It's the freakiest show. Take a look at the low man beating up the wrong guy. Oh man, wonder if you'll ever know who's in the best-selling show. Is their life on Mars? It's on America's tortured brow that Mickey Mouse has grown up a cow. And now the workers have struck for fame, 'cause Lennon's on sale again. See the mice in their million hordes, from Ibiza to the Norfolk Broads. Rule Britannia is out of bounds, to my mother, my dog and clowns. But the film is a sad thing for, 'cause I wrote it 10 times or more. It's about to be writ again, as I